Hi guys, welcome back to Decorating Happily Ever After. I'm Jeffrey Kevin. Well, it's summer out there and it's hot, so I've set a seaside escape. This is my Ocean Dreams tablescape. I'm using seashell dishes, a blue, white, and tan color scheme, and lots of seashell accents. So let's take a look around the table. For this tablescape, I'm using my tan burlap tablecloth. It's actually not burlap, but it has that texture, and I thought the color was perfect for a sandy beach. I'm also going to pair with it my new chargers. These are a faux wood in kind of a blue antique color. I picked those up at Dollar Tree this year. I'm going to be using these blue and white seashell dinner plates. I picked these up at Dollar Tree. I think they're so pretty, perfect for summertime or an ocean retreat. I have the matching salad plates that go with them. I'm going to be using my pretty blue and white glasses. I got these at Hobby Lobby this year. They kind of remind me of melted marbles. And I'm also going to be using my cobalt blue glasses. I ordered these on eBay. I thought that my bamboo handled flatware would be perfect. I got it ages ago at Big Lots, I believe. And I'm going to be using blue dinner napkins, and I made the little rope napkin rings. I'll tell you more about those in a minute. For my centerpiece today, I've used the blooms from my butterfly bushes. They're so beautiful right now with their white blooms, and the bushes themselves are over my head. These are not the typical butterfly bushes in that usually the blooms are elongated and thin. Although the tag when I bought them said butterfly bushes, to me they look more like limelight hydrangeas, except they're a little fluffier. But I planted 2 of them and I've been so pleased with them. And I've made my arrangement in this pretty rusty peach seashell. I tried to let a little bit of it show, but you guys know I like a big arrangement. And on either side, I have these white lanterns. I've just put blue candles in them. And they're whitewashed with little tin roofs. They would be perfect outdoors as well if you're dealing with the wind, but I like to use lanterns on the table sometime inside, and this tablescape would be beautiful if you're near water or blessed enough to be on the ocean. This would be a lovely setting outside by a pool or on a patio. But I don't have any of those things, and my garden pergola is about 50 feet away from the house, so I opted not to drag all this out there today in the heat. And at this corner of the table, I have a cupcake stand in milk glass. It's Mosier, and I've placed a nautilus shell that has been cut in half so you can see its chambers. The little sea creature fills it full, the chambers full of water, and that allows it to move up and down. And that was actually the early prototype for submarines. But it's a neat little seashell, and that was actually a gift that somebody gave me. And I've got lots of seashells that are strewn around on the table. This is a large one here, and some half shells. And one of my favorites is this starfish. I actually keep it on a book upstairs in the caravan room. You don't have to keep seashells just in the bathroom, but I do have several in my bathroom. I think this is a really pretty shell. It too is a nautilus in mother of pearl. I actually found that in an estate sale. But a lot of the seashells I picked up on vacations to the Keys and Florida and some from the Bahamas. And here at this end of the table, I have this cute little sea shanty. It's a little wicker basket and its lid lifts so that you can put napkins in it. And here, moored to the side, is a little boat and it's attached by a rope. I think that's so cute. I believe we found that in an estate sale. And on my dinner napkin rings, I made them myself out of some rope that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. And what I've used is the ring from a toilet paper roll, and I've cut it into about 1 inch wide strips. And I just hot glued the rope around. I did decide not to put a seashell. I thought about putting a seashell on each one, but I changed my mind. I thought, well, I would strictly have to use it for nautical and ocean themes, and by not putting a seashell on there, I could use it for other themes like cowboy, and one never knows when one might need to set a cowboy table. I do have a set of cowboy dishes, although that might be better for over at the chalet. And here I've got a conch shell. I believe that one came from the Bahamas. And at this corner of the table, I have this large half shell, and I've just piled some other pretty shells and starfish in it. And I did think about using this for my centerpiece. It would make a lovely centerpiece, but since my butterfly bushes were bloomed out so pretty today, I decided to use those. But this would make a great centerpiece as well. Here I've got another conch shell and a starfish, and I think he's a manatee. I'm not for sure, but he's a cute little guy. I've got some more shells, and here I have my square milk glass cake stand, and on it I've put this wonderful sand castle. I guess it's a carafe. I think it's so neat. I got it years ago at market, and I just loved it. It has a little sea turtle here on the front and the spigot, and I think it would be perfect. You can put your lemonade or your iced tea in it. And I also have some cute little flip-flop salt and pepper shakers to go with the beachy theme. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a comment below and give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Be sure and subscribe to my channel, Decorating Happily Ever After, and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a video. I'm Jeffrey Kevin, hoping that all your beaches are sandy and every half shell has a pearl. Bye-bye now.